It's me, your bubbly neighborhood scientist. I hope everyone has been coping well with the post-circuit measures. You must be wondering, where did your playful and friendly neighborhood scientists go? Well, they have been busy watching all of your lovely science experiments that you guys have done and shared with us. As for me, I have been watching terrific videos of people making their own favorite snacks, something that brings us a little positivity and makes our hearts go boba-boba. Which reminds me, it's almost time for bubble tea! Oops, I mean Science O'Clock! I've noticed that many people have the problems of finishing your tea but are left with lots of bubbles in their cup. Or worse, they have finished their bubbles even before finishing their tea. What a disaster! But fret not, cause your bubbly neighborhood scientist is here to solve your problems. Well, the secret to finishing your bubbles before finishing your tea is to have optimized sips, where you have just enough tea to pair with your bubbles. And this mainly depends on the ratio of bubbles to tea. The greater the ratio of bubbles to tea, the more bubbles you need to optimize each sip. Are you ready to find out the perfect ratio of bubbles to tea? Let's go! So for your experiment, you will need 3 similar empty cups. Ensure that the shape of the cup is kept constant. Next, you will need some bubbles of your choice. For me, I made my own brown sugar pearls.
Hey, do you take my last packet of brown sugar?
Aya, Jie, you're very sweet already. You don't need any more brown sugar. Next, we will need a tablespoon to scoop your bubbles. You'll also need some tea of your choice. I chose honey green tea, but you may choose any tea you like, with or without milk. And lastly, a bubble tea straw. This is for you to drink your bubble tea. We want to find the best ratio of bubbles to tea, so we have to make sure that there are no other factors that could affect our results except the one we are testing. This is so that the experiments will be accurate and reliable. Now that we are ready, using a tablespoon, we are going to fill the cups with 3 different ratios of bubbles to tea. In the first cup, we will add the bubbles until it is half cup full. In the second cup, we are going to add the bubbles until it is 1/3 full. And in the last cup, we are going to add the bubbles until it is 1/4 full. Then fill the cup with the tea of your choice. So you can see that the ratio of bubbles to tea in the first cup is 1:1. In the second cup is 1:2. And in the third cup, we have 1:3. Now, here comes the fun part. Simply place your bubble tea straw upright into the cup and give it a little stir. Then drink without moving the straw until you cannot get any more bubbles or tea or both. Record your observations to see if all your tea or bubbles or both are no longer in the cup. So here are my results. So in the first cup, I've managed to finish the bubbles before finishing my tea.
And in the second cup, I managed to finish both my bubbles and tea at the same time. And in the last cup, I managed to finish all my tea but are left with some bubbles in the cup. The way you and I drink bubble tea may be different, so your perfect ratio might be different from mine. Try out this little experiment to find out what's yours. We will recommend using smaller cups as drinking too much bubble tea may lead to troubles brewing. Do you think your perfect ratio will be the same as everyone's or different? We would love to know what you guys think, so let us know in the comments down below. Try it out for yourself and share with us photos or videos of your stay-at-home experiments by tagging us over here. And that's all we have for you today on Science O'Clock. Take care and always stay curious. Bye bye!